A while back, we had a run-in when we were trying to do a little bit of camping where our power center decided to just not work anymore. I did make a video on what I chose to replace our power center with, and you can find that video here. And at the same time, our water pump decided it didn't want to work anymore. So I had to replace it. And what did I replace it with? Welcome back, everybody. It's Chris from Chris Travels, and today we're just going to do an overview video of the SeaFlo 42 series 12-volt water pump that I picked up, so hopefully we can put an end to our water pump issue. Having an RV, whether you're full-time, part-time, weekenders, whatever you may be, you rely on a certain set of systems. And one of those main systems, if you're just dry camping, meaning you're not hooked up to anything, is a water pump. And a water pump can also be very beneficial if you stop at rest areas or you stop at parts where they don't have any way to hook up water. And having running water in your rig is crucial. Everything from washing dishes, washing your hands, even flushing your toilet requires water. And the only way that water will get through your system if you're not hooked up is a water pump. So let's take a look at the replacement that I picked up and just give you an overview so you can see this unit, and maybe it'll help you if you're in the market for a water pump as well. So let's take a look. All right, so here is the box for the SeaFlo 42 series 12-volt water pump. It's a really nice box. It tells you exactly what you get yourself into by buying this product. I like this corrosion-resistant valves. And it's quiet running. Those who have their water pump under their bed will appreciate this. Box is a little squeaky. And here is a diagram. You want to check this out for all your dimensions in case you need this. There you are. And when we open the box, we are greeted with the instruction manual and a 4-year limited service warranty. How about that? Nice. All right. If you want to pause this for the instructions, hopefully this will help you if you need it in the event you may have lost it or you just want to read it on your own. Yeah, there you go. And now we move on to our bags, where we have everything you need to get your water pump up and running. It's a really nice strainer. And here is the water pump. This is really, really nice. Really nice. Wow. Got a whole dampening system there. Jeez. Yeah, just so you know, this is the first time I looked at this pump. There's the specs of this specific model, 55 PSI, 3 gallons per minute. Nice. All right. Well, there you have it, everyone. I think this is a really nice unit, made very well. The build quality is pretty nice. I like how it feels premium, and it doesn't really cost a whole lot of money, and that's important. If you can get something really good at a very nice price, then it's just more win for you. If you're in the market and this will work for you, I hope it helps you. And if this is something that you're interested in, I'll provide an Amazon affiliate link in the description box down below where you can go check it out. So if you got any value out of this video, smash that like and subscribe button, comment down below. What do you think? What brand water pump did you decide to pick up? Where did you buy it from? Let us know in the comments down below. Let's get this thing going. Thank you for spending your time with me and all the support from the community. This is Chris from Chris Travels, and I'll see you on the road.